In this video, we're talking about how to edit section headings in FlowCV, which is a nice way to fine-tune how your resume looks. First, go ahead and click on the resume you want to work on. Once it's open, head over to the Customize tab. From here, scroll down until you see section headings. These are basically the titles of each section on your resume, like experience, skills, or education. You can choose the style you want, adjust the capitalization, change the font size, and even customize how the icons look. You'll see the changes update right away on your resume, which makes it easy to preview. You can also do something similar under Entry Layout. This lets you adjust the title and subtitle style, their placement, and even how lists are displayed. Just play around with the options and see what fits best. The key here is to pick a style that matches the job you're applying for and keeps everything looking clean and readable. And that's basically how to edit section headings in FlowCV. Thank you for watching.